Coincidence? I think not. Dylan McCool.
And I kind of like it again.
It's going to a good home. I gotta let some of them go. Done the old swap-a-roo. I should have kept that.
Gonna run a wheel off. About to run 2 wheels off.
Classic case of a flat casing. I'm never thinking about myself. Mr. McCool himself. Free with the car, okay? Bye! Welcome back to the Sleeper Dude 2 channel. If you've been watching our channel a while, you'll remember this car. This is our 65 Dark Coupe that we got running after 43 attempts to get it to start. It just happens to be a blue Mopar. Think that's a coincidence? I think not. We had to get it on 24 volts to get it started. Ran good. 3-speed on the column worked good. I bought all the brake stuff a year ago to fix the brakes and get some new casings on it and everything, and then just kept getting put on the back burner. And it sat here and sat here. And one of the perks of doing what I do is you go to these events and you meet people, and you start meeting people that are in your same industry. Well, one of those people is Dylan McCool. If you've never seen his channel, go check it out. Good guy. Lives here in Tennessee, makes car videos like we do. So I was texting him and he bought a Dart like this. I thought, well, maybe he wants another one since I haven't had a chance to get to it. So I texted him. Sure enough, he's coming to pick it up. So we're gonna get some hoops on the front of this. It'll be nice to have our jack stands back after over a year. I gotta find some hoops that'll fit on it because we stole them off of it to put on the red Dart wagon. But we're gonna get this thing ready for him to come pick it up tomorrow. That one still had some air left in it. These things have a 5-on-4-inch lug pattern. It's like the smallest lug pattern ever. Hard to find hoops for them. Oh, there we go. Just fun every time.
What's funny is you see this car sitting here and I hadn't really thought much about it, and I get over here looking at it and I kind of like it again.
I do like the car. Unfortunately, it needs floor pans and brakes, a driver's fender that nobody sells. It needs some work. It'll be a really cool car. Hopefully he does something with it, turns it into something cool. He's a Mopar fan from way back, so it's going to a good home. You can't keep them all. I'd love to see this car with a small block Mopar in it, a 4-speed or something, but I figured out by doing this, when you got 30, 40 cars, that you gotta fix the ones you're absolutely in love with. And as much as I like this car, it's probably not my top 5, so I gotta let some of them go. These are the ones that were on it in the front, and they're flat. They will not air up. This is a spare hoop here, and there's a space saver spare that we might can fit on. I think it's the same lug pattern. We'll try it. It'd be nice to have my jack stands back. I don't even know what this spare came off of, but it looks like it's the right lug pattern. It doesn't look like the center's big enough though. Is this left-handed lug nuts? Somebody had swapped around the drums. It was backwards, so I don't know which side this is. Yeah, this is the left-handed lug nuts here. So weird going backwards. I don't want to be enough to get it to roll.
I'm stalking a victim. Oh.
See, this side's also left-hand lug nuts, which is not supposed to be. Somebody's done the old swap-a-roo on this. Well, I don't have any tubes here or anything, or any good casing, so I guess I'm going to throw this on here. I just talked to Dylan on the phone. He's going to bring one with him, so when he gets here, we'll swap her out so he can load it up.
Now listen, you better watch out for waspers.
Yeah, them waspers better watch out for me. You think she'll still run?
I don't know.
It's a slant 6. It ought to run, right? Oh shoot, that's got that good starter on. I should have kept that. That's a zipper starter, huh?
Yeah, we burned the other one up, didn't we?
Yeah. Let's see if she'll crank right up. First attempt. Slant 6 for you.
You're about to run 2 wheels off.
She gave me the Michelle.
That was the Michelle. It means stop. For one, this thing's about to break off.
Wobbling.
And then you done it on that one.
Yeah, that's flat casing right there. Classic case of a flat casing. Well, that's probably a better place for him to load up, you know? I'm always looking out for the other person, you know? I'll never think about myself.
They ain't wasting no time. I already own it. You finding something under there?
All right, it's the next day. The Mopar man, Dylan McCool himself, is on his way. Should be here any minute. Got this ready for him. I told him that the spare's kind of wobbly and the other one's flat, so he's supposed to be bringing his own hoops and casings for this thing. When he gets here, we'll get them on there and load it up. We'll see what he thinks about our setup here. I know he's a Mopar guy. We got a lot of Fords. Oh, here he is, Mr. McCool himself. One of the few guys that I've met that's been doing YouTube as long as I have. Man, look at that swank Dodge truck. Check us out on other platforms at Sleeper Dude 88. Morning, sir. Yeah, good to see you. Yeah, good to see you. We built the walls, the roof, everything we built. So it was basically a bare chassis when we started out. You can push the cab back and forth. So all this is solid now.
That's awesome. And, you know, that's what's crazy is that, I mean, people will take big money for something.
Right, yeah, probably. They said that the floors are the same from 71 to 03. So they kept that floor pan up there, I guess, for all those years. We're getting to the home stretch now.
Right.
We rebuilt the engine. It's got a 46 RE transmission, which I had rebuilt. I'm trying to figure that out right now.
I wish I had something that I could have helped you with. That looks fun.
But what's crazy is, I figured there was a bunch of resources for like, hook this wire up, and you're done. But it's like, this engine's been around for 30 years and nobody has any information on it.
That's the problem with them. To find anything on them. I had the hardest time just finding the intake for mine. Because they were finding Morning to you too.
We got all kinds of. We broke 2 rods in it, and then that came around and knocked the oil pump off the block. Yeah.
Oh man.
And we drove it back up on the trailer like that. I didn't even know it was blown
it's a
up.
small block Chevy.
Yeah, it'll run forever, right?
They'll survive. I like it.
He had a bunch of darts, and he had kept them for the back for the here. One little lie. He had a bunch of these, and the neighbor had lived there like 25 years. He said he had never seen these cars live.
Mine is about on par with this one. When you showed me pictures of the engine, I was surprised at how clean it was.
Yeah, when we cleaned it under the hood, it really cleaned up nicely.
Oh, and your hood units work.
Well, this one bows out on you. When you come down with it, it comes over and wants to hit the fender, and you got to push it in. We put a new starter on,
Oh, wow.
You know how the old starters, they make all that noise and stuff.
It takes about 10 days for it to wind down.
Yes.
The 66 darts, I think they did away with these.
Oh, that's, yeah.
Because the 65 I bought, it came with an extra hood, and it was bowed exact same way, so I just left it there. But my 65 Chrysler has the exact same thing, but that hood's so long, and it's probably reinforced better. And I even thought about taking that hood, and you could bend it right back to where it was, and just weld the brace
it
into
up.
it.
Yeah.
This is so much nicer and straight. Because somebody tried to shut the hood, it was taped down, and the grill had a big hole in the middle of it.
I saw it look like it had been hit in the front or something. That box has a master cylinder, all 4 wheel cylinders, and hoses.
I got $100 in the trip home. We rented a car, and I loaded it up. And
Now this comes free with the car, okay? There. I got lug nuts in my hands, is probably what you're looking for.
You were reading my mind.
Yeah, those are left hands. What was the reason that they had the left-hand threads anyway?
They took a 57 Chevy, if I remember right, and they put left-hand threads on it. And they loosened up the wheels on both sides halfway. And as it was driving, they actually tightened themselves up.
Oh.
But if you did that right hand on both sides, the left-hand side would fall off, but the right-hand side would tighten itself up. So that was the whole purpose of it, but people kept breaking studs and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, you can put a mini starter on it.
Oh yeah, it sounds really nice. Look, I have an accelerator pump.
You do? Well, you are a lucky man.
Look at this. I was wondering after you said that.
I'm taking that and using it now. I've never had an accelerator pump work on one of those. That's nice. good.
They ain't got no brakes, so.
That's all you need. That's out of your hair. It's on the trailer. It's mine now. The warranty is expired.
Out of sight warranty.
I got a little 2-gallon jug I'll ratchet strap in the bumper.
I used to do that. Everybody's like, you gotta get a boat tank. I need a boat. So I did, and I really like using it.
Yeah, it's nice. You can just set them in the seat.
Yeah.
Take it with you.
All right, we got that thing loaded up. He's headed out of here. I hope he likes it. It's going to a good home. Right, Wawa?
Yeah.
He's teaching me about this Mopar stuff. He's got those facts about Mopars I don't got. So go check out his channel, Dylan McCool. He's a good guy. If you want to see more about the 65 Dart, go check his channel out. Can't keep them all, guys. Everybody always gets mad when I sell one or whatever, but we got over 30 vehicles and there's only one of me, so he talked me out of it. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching Sleeper Dude 2. Go check out the Sleeper Dude channel. Go check out Dylan McCool. Bye!